You may be wondering what an active roof looks like. Well, here we are. We're at one of my active roof projects, and as you can see, the guys are actively roofing it. Things are staged in the driveway, and it is underway. Hi, I'm Steve with Pacific Exteriors, and I manage thousands of roofing jobs in the Pacific Northwest as well as in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we're going to take a look at one of my active roofing projects. Just wanted to use this as an example for you to kind of hear the noises, the sounds going on in the background. You can hear the nail guns going off randomly. I'm sure in a moment the compressor is going to kick off. This is an extremely loud process. As much as it's going to be over in 2 or 3 days, it's going to feel very chaotic during that time between the pounding, the nail guns, staging of items in the driveway. Be prepared for a couple days of fast-paced action. As much as guys are going to be using hammers up on the roof, the most common way to fasten down your roof shingle is with a pneumatic nailer, which requires the use of a compressor, and compressors can be extremely noisy. Wanted to give you an example of just how noisy they are, and this is actually a quiet compressor. Your average compressor might be as much as twice as loud as this. Another important detail when considering setting up for your roofing project is where things are going to be staged. As you can see to the left of me here, we've got a trailer full of debris, and just beyond that is a honey bucket and materials. Now this is a 3-car garage setup, and we're using the 2-car garage side to get everything staged so that we could accommodate leaving one space open for the client to be able to still park in their garage. But know that there's also other locations that we can stage at, whether that's along the street, along the sidewalk, or in the planting strip between the sidewalk and the street. In addition to the typical staging items like dumpsters, honey buckets, and materials, we'll also need places for the crew's vehicles to be parked, whether that's along the side of the street here or somewhere close in the neighborhood. It's important to remember that while the roof is actively being replaced, it gets pretty messy up here. There will be packs of shingles stacked along ridge lines. There will be loose shingles laid out accordingly. All of these things will be picked up once the roof is wrapped up. This should give you a better idea of what to expect during a roofing project. If you're interested in an estimate, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.